It was a busy Easter weekend at airports across the country as those flyers returned to Logan today.
I was coming from Vegas, so it was really busy in Vegas.
More signs of a renewed confidence in air travel as more Americans get vaccinated.
First time back, but it was busy.
Air travel is taking off again, up around 800% since this time last year. TSA recording 1.5 million people passing through checkpoints yesterday. Compare that to just over 122,000 on the same day last year. But 2.4 million in 2019, so we're not there just yet. Still, passengers who have been regularly traveling for essential reasons say they'll miss the empty seats.
I like when there's flights where like 10 people, sometimes there are flights where I was the only person on because I flew the whole way through. But now the airlines are starting to pack the planes.
All the middle seats are empty.
Delta plans to unblock those middle seats next month as the company deals with staffing shortages leading to dozens of canceled flights on Easter Sunday. The airline reporting over 1 million passengers over the past few days, the highest number they've seen since before the pandemic. As more and more people get vaccinated, travel experts say those flight and hotel prices, they are expected to take off too. At Logan Airport, I'm Katie Thompson, WCVB News Center 5.